Good morning, dear children. Today you will write number names from 750 to 770. And a very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back to the maths class once again. Today in the maths, first we'll be writing the number names. We have already done the number names from 700 up to 750. Today we'll be doing the number names from 751 to 770. So dear children, first of all in your notebook, write today's date and classwork 25/1/2021 and classwork. You will write the heading number names 751 to 770. 751, 751, 752, 752, 753, 753, 754, 754, 755, 755, 756, 756, 757, 757, 758, 758, 759, 759, and 760 is 760. 761, 761, 762, 762. 763, 763, 764, 764, 765, 765, 766, 766, 767, 767, 768, 768, 769, 769, and 770 is 770. So dear children, up to 770 you have to write in the number names in your notebook one time. Now we will start the work in the textbook. Good morning, dear students. Today in lesson 5 division we will be doing exercise 7. Textbook, you all will open your page on 127. This is your exercise 7. So everybody will first write today's date and classwork on page number 126. 25/1/2021, and here you will write classwork. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is working with remainders. Dear children, in the exercise 6, as we did all the division sums, there was no remainder. Remainder means there was no number left which was undivided. जब हमने एक्सरसाइज 6 की थी तो हमने जितने भी इसमें सम्स किए थे, इसमें सारे सम्स में जो था इन द एंड वी गॉट 0 एंड में 0 आया, कोई भी नंबर नहीं आया था जो डिवाइड नहीं हो सकता है. लेकिन अब जो हम यहाँ पर डिवीजन करेंगे उसमें ऐसा होगा कि 0 नहीं आएगा और कोई एक नंबर ऐसा रह जाएगा जो कि डिवाइड नहीं हो सकता है, फर्दर आगे डिवाइड नहीं हो सकता है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द रिमाइंडर्स, वर्किंग विथ रिमाइंडर्स. Anu's father got 6 apples and he distributed them among 3 of his children. Now how many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 apples were there, and how many children were there? 3 children were there. So 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Here the division is shown also. Here this will be 3 because 3 children are there, and between the 3 children 6 apples are to be divided. 3 children के बीच में 6 apples divide करना है, इसलिए हम 6 को 3 से divide करेंगे. अब हम 3 का टेबल तब तक बोलेंगे जब तक कि हमारे पास 6 आएगा. 3 1 3, 3 2 6, मतलब 6 आ गया. यहाँ पर हम 2 लिखेंगे और 6 के नीचे 6 लिख के with the minus sign we will subtract. So 6 minus 6 is 0. Now here you can see that this is 0, मतलब कोई नंबर नहीं है जो कि डिवाइड कर सके. 0 आ गया इसका मतलब. Now each child got 2 apples, मतलब हर बच्चे को कितने apples मिले? 2 apples मिले. The father is not left with any apples now. मतलब अब सारे all 6 apples have been distributed, so there are no apples left. Now, Anu's mother got 7 oranges and divided them among 3 of her children. Now, अनु की मम्मी जो थी वो कितने संतरे लाई थी? 7 ऑरेंजेस लाई थी और उसको भी 3 चिल्ड्रन के बीच में डिवाइड करना था. सो अगेन 7 डिवाइडेड बाय 3. नाउ हियर यू कैन सी 3 अंदर हम 7 लिखेंगे और हम इसको 7 को 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे. अब यहाँ जो है हम पहले डिवाइड कर लेते हैं. 3 का टेबल हम तब तक बोलेंगे जब तक कि हमारे पास 7 आएगा या अ नंबर लेस देन 7. क्योंकि 3 के टेबल में 7 नहीं आता है इसलिए हम एक ऐसा नंबर ढूंढेंगे जो 7 से कम हो. इसलिए हम 3 का टेबल बोलेंगे. 3 1 ज़ा 3, 3 2 ज़ा 6, 3 3 ज़ा 9. अब 3 3 ज़ा 9 हो गया जो कि 7 से बड़ा है और 3 2 ज़ा 6 है जो कि 7 से छोटा है. सो वी विल बी यूजिंग 3 2 ज़ा 6. यहाँ पर हम 2 लिखेंगे और यहाँ पर हम 7 के नीचे 6 लिखेंगे विद अ माइनस साइन. नाउ 7 में से हम 6 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? 1 इज लेफ्ट. 1 2 3 4 5 6 एंड 7 कट 6. 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6. सो 1 इज लेफ्ट. यहाँ पर 1 बचा. दिस 1 इज कॉल्ड एज द रिमाइंडर. ये जो नंबर है वो अब 3 से डिवाइड नहीं हो सकता है. सो दिस 1 इज कॉल्ड एज द रिमाइंडर. Now here all the things have been explained. What is divisor? The number by which you divide उसको हम divisor बोलते हैं. जिस नंबर से हम डिवाइड करते हैं उसको हम divisor बोलते हैं. जो नंबर डिवाइड होता है, जिस नंबर को हम डिवाइड करते हैं उसको हम डिविडेंट बोलते हैं. जैसे यहाँ पर 3 से हमने 7 को डिवाइड किया तो 3 से डिवाइड किया इसलिए 3 डिविजन है और 7 को डिवाइड किया दैट मीन्स 7 इज डिविडेंड. नाउ कोशंट दिस इज द 2 दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द कोशंट. जो आंसर आता है उसको हम कोशंट बोलते हैं. तो 2 यहाँ पर ये है और 1 जो नीचे बचा दिस इज द रिमाइंडर. सो डिविजर, dividend, quotient and remainder. Now dear children, as I explained you what is remainder. Now after dividing the oranges, Anu's mother is left with 1 orange which is a remainder. That means you can see this. You can see here there are 7 oranges, 6 oranges have been cut and 1 is left. That means the 1 orange is left, that is called as the remainder. Now you have to underline these lines which are very important. When we do not get any remainder, we say the division is complete and the dividend is exactly divisible by the divisor. That means dividend is exactly divisible by the divisor. मतलब divisor dividend जो है divisor से exactly divide हो सकता है. तब जो होता है कोई भी remainder नहीं रहता है. लेकिन but if we get a remainder then we say that the dividend is not exactly divisible by the डिविजर. लेकिन अगर हमको कोई भी रिमाइंडर रहता है, कोई नंबर रिमाइंडर ऐसा रिमाइंडर रहता है दैट मीन्स दैट डिविजर इज नॉट एक्जैक्टली डिविजिबल बाय द डिविजर. नाउ व्हाट इज द रिमेंबर पॉइंट सेज द रिमाइंडर इज ऑलवेज लेस देन द डिविजर. इस चीज़ का हमेशा ध्यान रखने का कि जो भी रिमाइंडर आता है, नीचे जो नंबर एज अ रिमाइंडर आता है वो हमेशा इस डिविजर से जो होता है वो छोटा होता है. जैसे कि यहाँ पर 1 जो है वो रिमाइंडर है तो यहाँ पर डिविजर हमारा क्या है? 2 है. दैट मीन्स 1 is remainder is smaller than the divisor. Now here the example is given here. Divide and find the remainder. Here you have to divide 35 by 2. Now here you have to find the remainder also along with the quotient. Now 35 divided by 2, 32 को हम ऐसे लिखेंगे और 35 को अंदर लिखेंगे और 2 को बाहर लिखेंगे. अब 3 is bigger than 2. that in the last exercise as I told you that when 3 is bigger, अंदर जो bigger नंबर, पहला नंबर bigger है then we are going to just divide this number only. तो 2 1 सा 2 करेंगे क्योंकि 2 2 सा 4 हो जाएगा which is bigger than 3. So 2 1 सा 2, 3 के नीचे हम 2 लिखेंगे, minus 3 minus 2 is 1 and we'll bring down this 5. Now you know that in the table of 2, 15 doesn't come. So we'll get a number which is less than 15. 2 7 सा 14. So 15 के नीचे हम क्या लिखेंगे? 15 के नीचे हम लिखेंगे 14. 5 minus 4 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So what is the remainder? 1 is the remainder. Now same way we have to do exercise number 7 which is on page number 127. In this divide and find the quotient and the remainder. Now here the quotient is 17 and remainder is 1. The same way we have to do all these division. These division I will show you in the notebook. Exercise 7 page number 127 and write today's date. that is your 25, 0, 1, 20, 21, and this you have to do it in your classwork one time also and in homework also one time. Now divide and find quotient and remainder. Now first is 43 divided by 2. So here you can see this is 4 which is bigger than 2. So we'll just divide 4 only. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. तो यहाँ पर 2 लिखेंगे और 4 के नीचे 4 लिखेंगे. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now we will bring down this 3. अब ये 3 है और यहाँ पर 2 है तो 2 1s are 2 करेंगे क्योंकि 2 2s are 4 हो जाएगा. अब 3 में से 2 1 कट किया तो क्या बचा 1. So I have written the answer like this. Q is equal to 21. That means quotient is 21 and remainder is 1. Similarly, next question is 85 divided by 4. Now 4 का टेबल हम तब तक बोलेंगे जब तक कि 8 आएगा. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. तो यहाँ पर हमने 8 के नीचे 8 लिखा और बाहर यहाँ पर 2 लिखा. You can write it here also. 2 आप यहाँ पर भी लिख सकते हैं. You can write it here also. 8 minus 8 is 0. Now we'll bring down this 5. Now this is 5. So 4 1s are 4 because 4 2s are will become 8. So 5 minus 4 is 1. So this is your remainder. Q is equal to 21 and R is equal to 1. Remainder is 1. Moving on to the third question. हमेशा जब भी आप आंसर लिखें तो Q और R दोनों ही चीज़ें लिखनी है. Now next is your 86 divided by 3. Now we will say the table of 3 till we get either 8 or less than 8. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So 9 is bigger than 8. So we'll write 3 2s are 6. So we'll write here 2 and 6 below 8. Now 8 minus 6 is 2 and we'll bring down the 6. Now we will say the table of 3 till we get either 26 or less than 26. So 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. Sorry, we have to say the table of 3 only. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. So you will write here 8. यहाँ पर आप क्या लिखेंगे? यहाँ पर आप 8 लिखेंगे. By mistake I have written 6, but you will write here 8. And 24. 6 minus 4 is 2 and 2 minus 2 is 0. So what is your quotient? Your quotient is 28 and remainder is 2. So this is your Q, that is 28 and remainder is 2. Next is 98 divided by 9. Now we will say the table of 9. Because here also it is 9 and here also it is 8 is there. 98 divided by 8. So here this is 9 and this is 8. So we'll take only 9. So 8 1s are 8. क्योंकि 2 करेंगे तो ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. इसलिए 9 minus 1 is 8. We'll bring down 8. यहाँ पर भी 8 उतारना है. तो यहाँ पर 18 हो गया. अब 8 का टेबल हम बोलेंगे जब तक कि 18 आएगा या उससे कम आएगा. अब 8 के टेबल में जो है 18 नहीं आता है. 8 के टेबल में 16 आता है. 8 2s are 16. So 8 minus 6 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is 12 and our remainder is 2. Q is 12 and remainder is 2. Now next is 96 divided by 7. So again we'll say the table of 7. 7 1s are 7. So 9 minus 2 is 7. और यहाँ पर हम 6 उतारेंगे. We will bring down 6. Now this is 26. 7 3s are 21. क्योंकि उससे आगे आएगा तो जो क्या होगा 28 आ जाएगा जो 26 से बड़ा है. So 6 minus 1 is 5. So your Q is 13 and R is 5. Question is 58 divided by 8. Now this is also 5 and this is 5. So 5 1s are 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. We will bring down 8. Now 8 is there. 5 2s are becomes 10. So again 5 1s are 5. जो 5 2s are 10 करेंगे तो ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. इसलिए हम 5 1s are 5 ही करेंगे और 8 के नीचे 5 लिखकर माइनस करेंगे. 8 minus 5 is 3. So what is your quotient? 1 1. 11 is your quotient and remainder is 3. This is your remainder 3. Now we move on to the next question, which is question number 7. 79 divided by 6. Now here you can see this is 79. So 7 and this is 6 and this is 7. So 6 1s are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. We'll bring down this 9. अब 6 के टेबल में हमको 19 चाहिए लेकिन 6 के टेबल में 19 आता नहीं है. इसलिए हम क्या करेंगे 6 3s are 18 करेंगे. So 18, 9 minus 8 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. So what is your quotient is 13 and remainder is 1. Next is 86 divided by 2. जो है 2 2 ज़ा 4, 4 2 ज़ा 8. So 8 minus 8 is 0, and this is your, we will bring down 6. Now here 3 2 ज़ा 6, that means 6 minus 6 is 0. So here the remainder is 0 0. मतलब कि ये totally जो पूरा number है 86, that is completely divisible by this divisor 2. यहाँ पर remainder 0 0 आया, और ये जो है quotient 43 आया. Next is your question number 9, 64 divided by 3. Now 64 divided by 3, here this is 6. In the table of 3, 6 comes. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So below 6 we will write 6, and 6 minus 6 is 0. We will bring down this 4 now. 3 1s are 3. Now 4 minus 3 is 1. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 1, and Q is 21. Last one, 87 divided by 5. Now this is 8. Now 5 2s becomes 10. So which is bigger than 8? So we'll start with 5 1s are 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. We'll bring down 7. Then we will say the table of 5 till we get 37 or less than 37. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 35. So 7, we'll write 35 below 37. 7 minus 5 is 2, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So Q is 17 and R is 2. So dear children, these 10 questions are there. Now dear children, all these questions you have to do it in your notebook one time classwork and one time homework. So all the 10 questions you do it, and underline those lines that I have underlined in the textbook, and write all the number names 751 to 770 in your notebook one time. Till then, we meet on the next turn. Till then, bye bye.